Hello folks, welcome to DevOps Coach channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to migrate Jenkins job from one Jenkins server into another Jenkins server. So this is a simple use case. You can migrate jobs in more than a couple of ways. One of the simplest ways, to use job import plugin. That is what we are going to do in this video. So I have already have my Jenkins up and running. This is my source Jenkins where I have 4 jobs, and then this is my target Jenkins where I don't have any jobs. Okay, so we are going to migrate these 4 jobs from this instance into this instance. Okay, so I also have documented my steps in this website coachdevops.com as well. I will also post this link below the video as well. Okay, so you can go through it. Awesome. So let's get started. The first thing is we have to install this job import plugin in the target Jenkins instance, because you are going to import from the target Jenkins instance, right? So you have to install the plugin. So let's go to manage Jenkins and manage plugins. I'm going to search for job import. Okay, so this is the plugin. So let's install this. Okay, so plugins got installed. So once you install the plugin, we have to configure the plugin. Okay, so I'm going to go to manage Jenkins, configure system. Okay, so under configure system, we are going to add our source Jenkins. Our source Jenkins URL is this. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste the URL here. I'm going to give some name. Maybe I'm going to say source Jenkins. And then I'm going to add my the credential for the source Jenkins. Okay, so I'm going to add the admin credential. I'm going to say source Jenkins credentials. Okay, and then I'm going to add it. I'm going to select that one. Okay, so that's it, right? So we are successfully registering our source Jenkins. Okay, so I'm going to apply and save. Okay, and then I'm going to click on job import plugin. So this is where you're going to come and import the jobs from source Jenkins. Okay, so I'm going to click on this option. You don't have to give this option. Why? Because the jobs are stored in the default location in Ubuntu, which is /var/lib/Jenkins jobs folder, right? So all the jobs are there. So if we have your job stored in a different location, so you'll have to provide that, but in my case it is a default one, so I don't have to give anything like that. So I'm going to click on query. So as you can see here, Jenkins is successfully able to import the plugins from the source Jenkins server, right? So the plugin was able to import that. So obviously, right, I want to import these jobs. Okay, and then I also want to install the record plugins as well, and I don't want to override the existing job. If you want, you can do that, and then you can also choose this option in case if you wanted to disable the job, right? So but I don't want to do that, so I'm going to go ahead and then do import. And one more thing before that, you can also choose the directory, right, where you want to import the jobs in the target folder. Again, I want to go with the default option, so I'm going to leave it as it is. Okay, so in this case it is going to migrate the job under /var/lib/Jenkins/jobs folder. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to click on import. Wow, you see here it was successfully able to import. Click on done. And then you can click on Jenkins, right? See here we are able to see the job successfully imported. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.